Jai Shri Mataji. On behalf of Sahaja Meditation Centers, we welcome you all again today for the joyous experience of daily meditation. Sahaja meditation, when starts working within our subtle system, the experience is flow of vibrations from both the palm, and most importantly, we get peace from within. We might have practiced many meditation techniques, but here the biggest difference is there is a energy sitting in our sacrum bone, which is right from our birth. That is Kundalini energy. This Kundalini energy gets awakened and starts flowing out of our fontanel bone area, that is crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. And the flow of vibrations is the practical experience of it. Whenever we meditate morning and evening, every time we can experience this flow of vibrations, and throughout whole day this kundalini keep on moving upward and downward direction. Once kundalini starts doing its own movement, every energy center it gets nourished, cleared out, every energy center get into balance, and our journey starts about our own inner transformation. So this happens spontaneously and the whole process is autonomous. We really need not to pay attention again and again. We just keep on meditating morning and evening. The way we put some seed in Mother Earth, we just pour some water and the small plant starts growing and convert into tree. So same way our own meditation is going to help us to transform within, inside and outside. The energy once starts flowing on our face, we can experience that peace. We can experience the glow. Whole our family can practice, and that's the reason Sahaja Yoga meditation is practiced as a collective meditation. We have more than 3000 meditation centers across India, and during this pandemic period we all are practicing meditation online at our home. Since last 3rd January, since you have received your first experience of self realization, we are learning every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, various techniques of meditation. Yesterday, we have learned about a very brief and crisp information about the 3 channels and 7 energy centers. Today, we'll be learning how to use the fire element to clear out our left channel. This left channel, which is called Ida Nadi or left parasympathetic nervous system, is made of Mother Earth element. Simultaneously, it gets clear out using fire element. So that's the reason we call like a candle treatment. How to create fire? Not by using some wood or maybe a real fire like a holy. We'll be using a simple candle, use matchbox to enlighten, and this small flame, by keeping at some distance, it will pass the whole energy coming out of the fire element and clearing out our left channel. This left nadi, the left channel, is responsible for giving us love. This gives us balanced health. These days, there are many complications arising out of the imbalance in health. Whatever the flu, the diseases, any negative attack comes on our body that are from left channel. If left channel is in balance, then you can fight with any viruses, any kind of diseases. For day to day work, you need pure desire. So, this power of desire again comes from the left channel. we have a sound sleep from the left channel. So clearing left channel is most important. Not only through meditation, but using such treatments, it helps us a lot. So now Dr. Vishwajit Chauhan, who is Ayurvedic doctor and Sahaja Yoga practitioner since last 20 years, he will be showing us the experiment how to use the candle for clearing our left channel. Try to understand, and same way you can practice at home. Thank you.
Jai Shri Mataji. By the grace of Param Pujya Shri Mataji, today we are going to have a look on practical session of candle treatment. That is, with the help of fire element, we are going to clean our left channel. Also, we are going to clean the auras on the left side energy centers. As you all know, that we are doing Sahaja Yoga meditation. For this, we are using the help of, we are taking the help of 5 elements to clean our energy centers and our 3 channels, that is the Ida, Pingala and Sushumna Nadi. While clearing our left channel, we are taking the help of the Mother Earth, that is, we are placing our right hand towards Mother Earth. While clearing our right channel, we are taking the help of the ether element. The right side unbalanced activity is more absorbed and easily absorbed by the ether. While doing foot soak treatment, we are taking the help of the water element. So now in this treatment, we are taking the help of the fire element. As you all know, that the fire has 2 very important qualities. First, it gives light, removes the darkness, as well as it burns the negative thing. So we will call this treatment as a auspicious treatment. Why? Because as you all know, whenever we do some puja in our house or any arti in front of gods and goddesses, we use this fire element, which is very auspicious. Also, after doing arti, we used to take the arti, we used to do like this, and then we used to just move the arti from our body. What is this meaning? The meaning is that with that fire element, I am clearing my left and right channel. So, in our one more thing that we have heard in our scripts, asato mag sadgamayo. That is, we have to move from untruth towards truth. Tamoso ma jyotirgamayo. Tamoso is nothing but the tamoguna, that is the darkness. And from darkness, I have to move towards the light. So that's why we are using this fire element. If there is any birthday or some auspicious day, we used to take the fire element or used to do the arti, or we can call it as auction, which is very auspicious in our Indian. So, before we start this treatment, we will bow down to Shri Mataji, and first we will raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan. To start with this candle treatment, we need one candle treatment. Before we start this treatment, we need one steel vessel and one candle, which has been fixed in between this vessel. So when the wax melts, it will not hurt you. Now we have to lighten this candle. We have to hold this in our right hand. The left hand should be open. And in this treatment, one important thing must be noted is that we have to keep our eyes open. Now, as you all know that this candle, this fire element, we are using it on the left channel, which is the moon principle. If the left channel, the moon, is cold, too cold, or it goes to freezing point, then you have to melt, as told by Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi Ji. If you are too much left-sided and your left channel, which is the moon channel, it freezes due to over left side activity. And therefore, left-sided person moves towards depressive activity. They feel more sorrow, they feel more guilty, more depressive, more emotional, and they harm themselves. They think of the past and they always hurt themselves. So, this frozen left channel has to be melted, as told by Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi Ji. So, for that, we are using this light element. So, holding with the right hand and left hand open, just have a look. One more important thing is that I told you before, your eyes are open and the candle flame should be upright. Okay, it should not be twisted like this. And the flame should be in front of that specific energy center. So first, our left channel begins from the left Muladhara, goes up, travels through the Agya Chakra on the opposite side. And then, okay, so this is the root of our Ida Nadi. So first, keeping your attention on your energy as well as on the candle also, slowly you have to bring it on the left side and then you have to cross it towards the right side, that is above the right ear. So this we repeat 7 times, very slowly, with understanding. Understanding who are you and understanding what are your auras. You can watch your left hand also, left palm and left fingers. Now we are doing this Sage Yoga meditation. We have got this self-realization, our energy is awakened. So now when we move this candle, the energy inside and the energy outside, that is the flame or the light element, it removes the darkness, removes the left imbalanced energy, burns it out, burns it out. So after doing this, we will go one by one chakra wise. So first is the Muladhara chakra. In front of the Muladhara on the left side, slowly we will rotate with our right hand, we will rotate this candle clockwise in front of the first left energy center, that is left Muladhara chakra. Not necessary to think, just observe. You can observe inside your Muladhara chakra or on your palm also. Then comes the second energy center at your lower abdomen is the left Swadhisthana, the energy center for pure knowledge. And the whole left channel is the channel for the pure desire. Here in your mind, you can ask Param Pujya Shri Mataji to clear our left Swadhisthana chakra as well as give us pure knowledge. Slowly, we will take it a little bit up. From the navel area, go towards the left side, that is the left stomach, is the left Manipura chakra. And on the left side, a little bit upper side on the back side is the left Bhavasagara chakra, which is the energy center of the Guru principle. Here you can ask, O Kundalini Mother, please make us our own masters. Param Pujya Shri Mataji, by your grace, we are our own masters. So after clearing this Bhavasagara, we will just come a little bit up in front of your heart, left heart. Slowly we will rotate it clockwise. Here you can say, O Divine Mother, by your grace, I am the pure spirit. I am not this mind, nor this body, nor this ego and superego. I am just a pure spirit. Please clean our heart. After our left heart, we will just come a little bit upper side on the left side of our shoulder and neck is the left Vishuddhi. Here you have to say, O Kundalini Mother, by your grace, I am not guilty at all. I am not guilty. I am not guilty. Then we have to cross, we have to come in front of the Agya Chakra and just hold it for few minutes. Hold it for few seconds. Don't look at the candle, just hold it. And little bit take it away, and from the flame, below the flame, there is a blue flame. From that flame you can just have a look on Shri Mataji's Pratima, Shri Mataji's photograph. So in yogic science, holding or concentrating on something like fire element was called as Trataka. So which used to clean our Agya Chakra, because the crossing of two channels is at the level of this Agya Chakra. So when this light, we place the light, automatically the negative energy is sucked out. And then after doing this procedure for few seconds, take it to the right side, because this left channel crosses towards right. Here you can just move like a horseshoe movement or a half moon movement. So this was the first part of the candle treatment. So we just moved this candle, we took the help of this candle to clear our left channel, as well as the left side energy centers. Now, on your left hand, this is the representation of Ida Nadi, that is the left channel, and all these fingers represent the energy centers of the left side. So, we are going to clear this left indicators also. The first Muladhar area at the level of the wrist joint. Just place this candle for few minutes. You can pay your attention on the energy of your hand or on the Sahasrara. The second energy center is the thumb. So just take it in front and back a little bit slowly. Third is the Nabhi chakra, that is the middle finger. The heart chakra, the last little finger, fifth finger. Then comes the Vishuddhi chakra, that is the second finger. And the sixth energy center, the Agya chakra, the fourth finger. Be careful and alert, but also keep your attention on the energy side also. So now overall left channel, that is the Ida Nadi, which is the representation is through this left hand. So 7 times we will do completely for the left channel. Now you can observe the change, the flow of energy, balanced flow of energy. Also, you can keep it in front of your fingertips. You hold this flame. Here we can go according to the fingers. First finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and fifth finger. If you still feel heaviness or something imbalance in any finger, you can again repeat. So as you all know that Param Puja Shri Mataji has said that your left channel must be strong. If it is imbalance, all the viral attacks comes from the left channel. So in this pandemic situation, this treatment is very, very useful. Also, all the depressive activities or the past activities which had been already done, but still we are suffering, all types of these thoughts and imbalances can be removed just by putting this light on your left channel. So, as you all know that if you see this fire, it always goes against gravity. It doesn't go down. In the same way, when we meditate, our energy also rises above gravity towards the seventh energy center, that is the crown chakra or Sahasrara chakra. It's like removing the darkness and allowing the light to flow. In Ganeshwara, they have explained that the dark clouds are surrounded and therefore the sun rays are being obstructed. So as soon as the clouds or the darkness is removed, automatically the light can travel So, in the same way, this light helps us to bring in balance. So, now you can keep this candle on your left side, or you can just blow it. And then, after doing this treatment, we have to meditate for few minutes. Also, before you take the candle treatment and after, or before meditation or after meditation, or before salt water and after salt water, we have to again raise our energy and take bandhan. That we will do it again and then meditate. Jai Shri Mataji.
Thank you, Dr. Vishwajit. How is the experience? If you have not tried today, after this session or whenever you get time today, try to do this candle treatment. It's very easy and very much practical too. So, wherever you are finding yourself in lethargic position, you are not feeling well, you are feeling depressed, these are the signs of left channel is having some kind of imbalances. How many times you can do candle? Of course, you can do even every day, but not necessary. The real significance is if you are getting not so good vibrations, that means the cool vibrations are less or hot vibrations on left palm, that indicates the left channel is having some kind of imbalance. In that case, you can use this treatment for couple of minutes. The students, when they do lot of studies, what happens? The right channel is used much more. So the left goes in imbalance and then they feel not interested while doing the studies. So how to remove such kind of obstacle? Just 2 to 3 minutes if that student is doing candle treatment, immediately his left channel will come into balance and the interest in studies increases. The biggest desire in this world is to stay alive. Even this desire comes from the left channel. So the depression, which is the biggest common problem these days, using candle treatment will help them a lot. So this is certainly an experiment. Whenever you're feeling you're too much tired, always try to do couple of minutes candling treatment and you will find the change. If you are not getting good sleep, do candling treatment. Then see on the same night how is your sleep. We hope you all are enjoying our Sahaj Yoga meditation sessions. We are already teaching Sahaj Yoga in Marathi and Hindi through our YouTube channel Learning Sahaj Yoga during this whole pandemic period. But there was demand to educate Indian citizens in English language too. So every Saturday and Sunday we are conducting these sessions at 10:30 morning. Even if it's not possible for you to attend at 10:30 live, you can always watch these videos whenever you get the time. But Sahaj Yoga meditation is a practice. It's nothing to be watched. Everything is to be practiced. So we hope you are doing the practice. If you have any query about meditation, do call us on our toll free number 1800 2700 800. Or if you have any query related to meditation, you can even write email on indiasahajoga2020@gmail.com. Again, on behalf of all our meditation centers, we'd like to thank you and keep meditating. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.